Have you ever wondered if your Beam wallet, that privacy-focused haven for your digital assets, can also play nice with the king of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin? It's a question many in the crypto space ponder, especially when navigating the diverse world of digital wallets. We all want the convenience of managing our crypto in one place, but with so many different blockchains and token standards, it can get a little complicated. So, let's cut to the chase. Can your Beam wallet directly receive Bitcoin, BTC? The answer, in its simplest form, is no, not directly. Beam operates on its own unique blockchain, built on the Mimblewimble protocol, which is fundamentally different from Bitcoin's blockchain. Think of it like trying to plug a USB-C cable into a traditional USB-A port. They're both USB, but they don't quite fit without an adapter. Beam was designed with a core focus on privacy and scalability, using features like confidential transactions and a compact blockchain size. Bitcoin, while revolutionary in its own right, has a different architecture. This architectural difference means a direct transfer of BTC into a native Beam wallet address isn't possible. However, don't let that discourage you. The crypto world is all about interoperability, and there are absolutely ways to interact with Bitcoin through the broader Beam ecosystem. Many modern crypto wallets, including some that support Beam, are multi-currency wallets. This means they can hold various cryptocurrencies, including both Beam and Bitcoin, but they manage them on their respective blockchains. For instance, you might use a wallet like Kraken Wallet, Trust Wallet, or BitGet Wallet. These wallets often integrate support for multiple blockchains. So, while your Beam wallet within that application handles your Beam coins on the Beam network, the same application can also generate a separate Bitcoin address for you to receive BTC on the Bitcoin network. It's like having different compartments in the same digital briefcase, each holding a different currency. Furthermore, the Beam ecosystem is constantly evolving. There are efforts to bridge different blockchains, and you might find ways to swap between Beam and Wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, on certain decentralized exchanges, DEXs, that support Beam's confidential assets. Wrapped Bitcoin is an ERC20 token that represents Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain, allowing it to interact with Ethereum-based DeFi protocols. Similarly, there might be wrapped versions of Beam on other chains. The key takeaway is to understand the distinction. Your Beam wallet is specifically for Beam tokens and assets built on its Mimblewimble blockchain. If you want to receive Bitcoin, you'll need a Bitcoin-compatible address. Many popular wallets offer both, providing a seamless user experience even though the underlying technology for each cryptocurrency is distinct. So, if you're looking to manage both your Beam and BTC, consider a multi-currency wallet that explicitly lists support for both. Always double-check the wallet's supported assets and ensure you're sending your Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address and your Beam to a Beam address to avoid any loss of funds. The crypto space is exciting, but it demands attention to detail. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.